Hello guys! Let's learn some colors name. Black color, light blue color, purple color, yellow color, red color, dark blue color, orange color, dark green color, pink color, brown color, violet color. Today we will learn some alphabets A to Z. Violet color. A for apple. Brown color. B for book. Pink color. C for candy. Dark green color. D for doll. Orange color. E for egg. Dark blue color. F for flowers. Red color. G for grapes. Yellow color. H for horse. Purple color. I for ice cream. Sky blue color. J for jug. Black color. K for kite. Red color. L for lemon. Dark blue color. M for mango. Purple color. N for nuts. Yellow color. O for orange. Orange color. P for pen. Dark green color. Q for queen. Pink color. R for rainbow. Brown color. S for strawberry. Violet color. T for tiger. Orange color. U for uniform. Red color. V for violin. Black color. W for watermelon. Sky blue color. X for X-ray. Yellow color. Y for yum. Dark green color. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hello! Let's learn some colors. Brown color, purple color, orange color, black color, dark green color, light blue color, violet color, dark blue color, light green color, pink color, red color, yellow color. Today we'll learn some alphabets and numbers. A, N, W, B, S, P, C, H, U, D, Y, K, E, Q, R, F, J, X, G, L, V, I, M, T, O, Z. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn the numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Hello! Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, purple color, dark green color, black color, dark blue color, violet color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, pink color, light green color, red color. Let's learn some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19, and number 20. Red color. Number 1. Number 1. Light green color. Number 2. Number 2. Pink color. Number 3. Number 3. Brown color. Number 4. Number 4. Orange color. Number 5. Number 5. Yellow color. Number 6. Number 6. Violet color. Number 7. Number 7. Dark blue color. Number 8. Number 8. Black color. Number 9. Number 9. Dark green color. Number 10. Number 10. Purple color. Number 11. Number 11. Sky blue color. Number 12. Number 12. Red color. Number 13. Number 13. Light green color. Number 14. Number 14. Purple color. Number 15. Number 15. Yellow color. Number 16. Number 16. Violet color. Number 17. Number 17. Red color. Number 18. Number 18. Black color. Number 19. Number 19. Dark green color. Number 20. Number 20. Let's count the number again. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19, and number 20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.